Okay, this is part 2 of the Trade Mart. I went around to the front and I was trying to con my way into. They've got an event going on today and they're real sticky about who can get in and if you can take pictures or video or anything. I could see right from the lady's desk where I was talking there in the lobby, I could see into the main arena there where the president would have been speaking, and you can see, I could see 2 or 3 levels of those catwalks that I was discussing, and you can see why it would be such a security nightmare. The front entrance of this Trade Mart, you can see this is where the president, obviously his motorcade would have ended up here. This is the front entrance. Where we did the video was actually the back side or the west side of the building. This is the front side, and to the side of this, you can see they've attached the new Trade Mart, which is this monstrosity I was talking about. You can see it from the Stemmons Freeway. It looks like a gigantic, and it says Trade Center over there on the side of the building, but it looks like a gigantic charcoal briquette from the interstate. It's huge. You know, these people in Dallas and their architecture, Parkland Hospital we just came from, looks like 2 mobile homes stacked on top of each other's crosswise, and then the Trade Center looks like a gigantic charcoal briquette. But that is attached to the old Trade Mart, which is here. This is the one that Kennedy was actually coming to speak in. So just wanted to give you some visuals here. This is, as I said, right off the Stemmons Freeway. And the reason that Kennedy's people, just a quick rehash, did not want to come here was because it was a security nightmare. Too many entrances and exits, 42 I think to be exact. Did not have a garage door entryway. And inside, when he would actually be speaking in the big wide open space, there were at least 4 levels of catwalks above him. And it would have been a security nightmare. And so, you know, this is why, as I said in the earlier video, they had 3 locations chosen for the assassination in Dallas. First was Love Field, which turned out to be impractical. There's too many people. The crush of people to see Jackie and the president, etc., was wide open. Weren't really any high vantage points there where you could remain hidden. So the next one becomes Dealey Plaza, which of course is perfect for a kill zone shot between 3 rifles. And if it didn't happen there, though, it would have happened here. They had backups to the backups to the backups, and of course then also the next day he was going to be going to a barbecue at LBJ's Ranch. And so that was the contingency for the 3 choices here in Dallas. They don't get him in Dallas, they'll get him at LBJ's Ranch. Either way, he's not going to be allowed to leave Texas alive. Okay, from here we're going to go on to the Women's Museum and see where the Kennedy's people wanted to actually go and give the speech. Thank you.